So today I'm gonna epoxy this Barbie doll from the dollar store into the 7 mode. Why? Because I'm bored. So I need to be doing something. Let me see. This way 7 like that. Yep, it'll have to be facing like that. And I'm like looking for all my epoxy stuff because I haven't epoxied in a while. So I'm pretty much gonna use this stuff. Quicker stuff I found, some glitters, maybe some gold. I hope it turned out alright. And this epoxy is probably about to expire too, so we'll need a 1-to-1, not a 4-to-1, 2-to-1. So, yeah. Probably gonna end up using the rest of this epoxy. The mold looks like it's going to take a lot of epoxy, so and I'm hand mixing, so I don't feel like getting the electronic mixers out. So, alright, so I did end up grabbing a mixer. I don't really think that made a difference. I just want to separate some colors. So I want to use these little cups. That's pretty good. It's going to be mostly clear. Float away. She's a runner. She's a track star. Get back. I have a feeling she's not going to be here for forever. Alright, so I don't think I need to mix the yellow. I did double yellow, didn't I? I'll just do some pull through. I already see the yellow combining with the girl. Let's see, can I knock it back some? Like I said, I'm not really going for nothing. I'm just bored. So yeah. These colors might actually be the same. I hate gold, so I'm not gonna mess with the gold. I guess that's it. I have to get it on the table. I wonder how quick this one go off. So I guess we got a purple and yellow black Barbie from the Dollar Tree. It came with this. I made a video where I made a Barbie picture frame for a newborn baby. And I was gonna make a mini Barbie house, and that's what it was. I never did it, so yeah. That'll be it until the unmolding.
Girl, what you in there doing?